So in this case, they ask help to how can you please tell who are at least this is okay they are doing, but okay they are doing any god or any religion, at least good only. But problem is who are the influencer for my kids, because I wanted to know in any day they are going to misuse them or going to use as a human bomb or going to send other countries like they are not safe for that country and going to use in terrorist or some other kind of the activity, because you know right now terrorism is not going to be happen directly by gun or by army by arms. It is going to be hack their brain, or they are going to be through the cyber world also, and everyone is living in the cyber era depending on the mobile and the cyber, right? So that is the main reason they are worried. So after the analysis how they are going to be influenced of this kind of some other religion, how to going to convert the next religion, their small kids, they found how. I'll tell you the reason. They start from this is very long term plan actually, how they are doing, playing game with this kind of things with the small kids. See, your kids is playing game, okay, this is not a problem, let them play. But once how they are going to be captured by this kind of the mentality, suppose kids are going to be lose the game, so the pop-up will come, they will say, hey, you say these words 5 times or you do this kind of activity, I'll give you 200 points. After getting 200 points, you will become winner in this game. So what small kids, what they want win to the game, right? They will have to show to their friends or something in their group circle. So they just say 5 times this, that. Slowly they control their mind, and from there it starts playing the things with their small, because small kids, they have so much power and capacity in their mind, but they don't have to good enough to understand what is good or what is bad till age 18. So that is the reason you have to.
In about 10 kilometers, take exit 6 onto exit 6 and Nagpur Road towards Hyderabad.
Okay, so this kind of the things you have to take care with kids, small kids, what they are doing, the activity, which game they are playing, who are there, because you are asking your kids, don't talk with any uncle on the road. Okay, you are taking care of these things, but you are not knowing how many unknown person is there with your kids circle in online. So you have to take care of these things also. Your visibility you are going to stop, but unvisible, like in the computer or in the mobile game, they are talking many persons, and who know who are the terrorist kind of the mentality, they are going to hack their mind. So you have to take care kind like this way. Okay, so Nagpur, okay, straight only. If you wanted to check your email is there available or not in the compromised, your data is compromised or not, or it is available in dark web or not, on website is there, you put their email ID and it will give you, if your email is hacked or it is compromised data with some sites, they will give full list. If not compromised safe, then they will say it is safe. Website name is haveifound.com. haveifound.com, you search there and you put their email ID, you will get this information, your email is safe or not safe. What the missing thing I observed in Karnataka, see, we are having so many tourist places in Karnataka. See, I was not aware till date, like last year, that Hampi, reaching of the Hampi is so much easy, going to be our golden era age, like Vijayanagaram, that is also so much accessible, and that is near. Even birthplace of Sri Hanuman ji, Kiskinda Parbat, where they started Sri Ram, Prabhu Sri Ram and all for against of Ravan fighting. This is all the nearby only in Karnataka, Kiskinda Parbat, birthplace of Hanumanji, and everything is here, but we are not aware earlier. So what the government should see, if I would be minister, no, I can put every corner of the road. If you give hoardings and information to the common people, hey, you can go this place, you can go this place very nearby, just like 2 or 3 lines only. People automatically go and do the Google and get, and government has to give some special information, a special counter or special websites to give all this rich information. So Karnataka can earn more money compared to the other things. In the tourist activity is everything they are doing as a Ram Bharose, because no one guiding anything, and right now tourist is what they are finding, they are going their place. We are having sea beach area, many places, and many temples also are there, famous temples. So this kind of the information, I think Karnataka government should pass in the hoardings and all in the roadside, and tourist activity is going to be increased, like how other few states are doing this kind of activity. If I would be minister, definitely I'll give them more revenue in the Karnataka government by doing this activity. Yeah, I'm going to stay and eating tonight before Nizamabad, after Hyderabad, before Nagpur. No, near Nizamabad. Have you ever seen when you are going for this kind of tour and person bringing awan carrot for the juice and coffee, awan coffee for making the coffee? So I am unique. I am drinking, and I got this bottle. So I